Welcome to a transformative journey where we explore the hidden dimensions of wealth creation. In today's enlightening episode, we delve into the world of financial empowerment, unlocking the doors to freedom and prosperity. We're not just talking about making money, we're redefining it. Get ready to be part of an exclusive revelation as we uncover 15 secrets to financial success that are often missed by many. These insights are not just about increasing your income, but about elevating your life. So before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Missing out on this vital information could be the difference between merely surviving and truly thriving. 1. Business expenses are your best friend. Business expenses are a cornerstone of tax efficiency and wealth building. When you spend money on goods and services that directly benefit your business, not only do you improve your business's operations, but you also reduce your taxable income. This tax strategy is often overlooked, but can significantly impact your financial bottom line. Consider major expenses like a private jet, which can be categorized as a business expense if it facilitates client meetings or other essential business activities. The more you invest in your business, from marketing campaigns to staff development, the more you can offset your income and minimize your tax liability. 2. Solve the puzzle of processes. The idea here is to view a business as a complex puzzle with various interconnected pieces. Employees, for instance, are vital puzzle pieces, but the real wealth is derived from understanding and optimizing the entire process. It's about comprehending how all the elements fit together, from product creation to marketing, sales, and customer service. By becoming proficient in all these facets, you can unlock the true potential of your business. Success lies in the ability to not just work within one piece of the puzzle, but to see the bigger picture and continually improve it. Leverage your time. Time is a finite resource, and if your income relies solely on trading hours for dollars, you'll eventually reach an earning plateau. Breaking free from this limitation involves creating systems and processes that generate income independently of your active involvement. Developing such systems allows you to earn money while you sleep, travel, or enjoy leisure activities. It's about taking control of your time and gaining the freedom to allocate it as you see fit, without being tied to a traditional work schedule. By the way, if you want to learn how to get an average 4 to 6% net increase in take-home pay while saving the employer in payroll taxes, and also getting access to world-class healthcare benefits that don't change anything you currently have access to, all within the next month and at no cost to the business, check out the link in the description. 4. Solve bigger puzzles for bigger rewards. Starting small is natural, but as you gain experience and expertise, it's crucial to aim for larger challenges and greater rewards. Rather than settling for incremental gains, look for opportunities that offer exponential growth. Scaling up your efforts and tackling more substantial challenges can lead to financial success on a grand scale. This point underscores the importance of continuously pushing your boundaries and seeking out bigger opportunities for financial growth. Execution beats ideas every time. While having $1 million idea is inspiring, what truly matters is execution. Many people believe they need a groundbreaking idea to get rich, but history has shown that even an average idea can lead to immense wealth if executed effectively. The key lesson here is that it's not just about having innovative ideas, it's about how well you implement them. Success is often determined by the quality of execution, not the uniqueness of the concept. Beware of inflation. Inflation is an economic phenomenon where the value of money decreases over time. This means that over the years, the same amount of money can buy fewer goods and services. Understanding inflation is crucial because it affects your purchasing power and long-term financial planning. To combat the eroding effects of inflation, it's essential to invest your money in assets that have the potential to grow over time, such as real estate or stocks. By doing so, you can preserve and potentially increase your wealth in the face of inflation. Be sure to watch our video, How Warren Buffett Makes Money in an Inflation. 7. Passive income is the key. Achieving financial freedom often revolves around passive income. Passive income streams provide you with money that flows in regularly without requiring continuous effort. This type of income not only frees up your time, but also offers financial stability and security. Common sources of passive income include rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, and income-generating investments. Building passive income streams allows you to live life on your terms and provides a safety net against financial hardships. 8. Save and invest heavily. building wealth requires discipline and the commitment to save and invest a significant portion of your income. Allocating a substantial portion of your earnings towards savings and investments is essential for long-term financial success. Consider saving at least 60% of your income, which can then be invested in income-generating assets like real estate, stocks, or a diversified investment portfolio. The more you save and invest, the faster your wealth will grow, and the sooner you can achieve financial freedom. 9. Don't inflate your lifestyle. It's tempting to increase your spending as your income grows, but this can hinder your financial progress. Living below your means and avoiding lifestyle inflation is a key principle of wealth building. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle with every income boost, focus on saving and investing the surplus. This approach ensures that your wealth continues to grow regardless of your income level and allows you to accumulate assets over time. 10. Master personal finance. Personal finance is a fundamental skill that everyone should master. It encompasses understanding your financial situation, making informed decisions about spending, saving, and investing, and managing debt effectively. It's essential to prioritize financial education and make wise financial choices. Avoid accumulating unnecessary debt and focus on building assets that appreciate over time to secure your financial future. 11. Invest in education. Knowledge is a powerful tool for financial success. Investing in books, courses, and educational resources can provide you with valuable insights and skills to make informed financial decisions. Start by reading foundational books on money management, cash flow, and entrepreneurship to build a solid financial knowledge base. Education is an ongoing process that empowers you to navigate the complexities of the financial world. 12. Use tools wisely. Many of the possessions you own can serve as valuable tools for generating income, instead of spending money on items that don't contribute to your financial goals. Consider how you can leverage your assets for income generation. Your smartphone, for example, can be a tool for learning new skills, accessing income opportunities, or managing your investments. Recognizing the potential income-generating capabilities of your possessions is essential for optimizing your financial resources. Use the link in our bio for some life-changing tools of your own. 13. Multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income can be risky in today's dynamic economy. To enhance your financial security, explore various avenues for generating income. These may include side businesses, investments, freelance work, or rental properties. Diversifying your income streams provides stability and flexibility, reducing the impact of unexpected financial setbacks. Having multiple streams of income ensures that you can weather financial challenges more effectively. 14. Track your finances. Maintaining a clear picture of your financial situation is crucial. Regularly track your income, expenses, and investments to understand your financial health. By documenting your financial data, you can identify trends, make necessary adjustments, and measure your progress toward your financial goals. Tracking your finances empowers you to make informed decisions and stay in control of your financial future. 15. Numbers are your friend. Understanding the numerical aspects of your finances is essential for sound financial management. Analyze your financial data, including income, expenses, and investment returns, to gain valuable insights into your financial health. Your financial numbers reveal trends, opportunities, and potential areas for improvement. By embracing the quantitative side of your finances, you can make more informed and strategic decisions to achieve your financial objectives. Congratulations on completing this empowering journey with us. Today, we've unveiled 15 revolutionary insights that go beyond the conventional understanding of wealth. These lessons are a beacon of hope and guidance for those seeking financial liberation and the numerous benefits that come with it. Remember, the path to wealth is not just about earning, it's about learning. Embrace these principles and start building not just wealth, but a legacy. Until next time, keep exploring, keep growing, and let the power of knowledge unlock your potential.